Hi, today we're doing a video on toilet seats. I'm doing toilet seats today because our toilet has this old worn seat that's plastic and it's turning yellow, not looking very nice. So how often do you go out and shop for toilet seats? Um, Probably not very often, but that's what I did. I went out and go online and look at the different toilet seat options, and there are quite a lot of options out there. So how do you pick a toilet seat? That's seems like kind of hard to do just from the online pictures. So I bought two toilet seats here. Um, one from one from Delta. It's called the Morgan series. Both of these toilet seats are the round size, the smaller size. Basically, in United States, there are only two sizes for toilets, either the round, which is smaller, or the elongated, which is a bigger one. That's a longer size. I think the width are the same, pretty much standard size. This one is a white finish. So this one is plastic. And I got another one. This one is wood. It's also called white. This is from Bemis. Bemis. White, and it's the round size. But you can see that the Delta is more white and more shiny, whereas the Bemis is a little bit of a off-white, a little bit more yellow in the white, and it's not as shiny, not as smooth. Both of these are soft close, so they have a soft close feature on both the seat and the lid. The one currently on the toilet does not have a soft close, so it could slam like that. So we'll be comparing these and see which one we should go with. So this one is pretty nice. You can see the hinge here is the split hinge, very classic. A lot of toilet seats have these kind of hinges, whereas the one currently here, the Oceanite, has a sort of an integrated hinge, or kind of an easy clean, has this skirt, easy clean hinge. This one might be a little bit harder to clean, and yeah, that's about it. Pretty basic. And the seat, the bumper here looks different. Okay, for that one, that's the Bemis. Take a look at the Delta. Delta is plastic, is lighter weight. This one is also soft close. The lid is kind of has this enclosed, recessed area with the bumper. I think that's just to make it look thicker, just for the style. And then the hinge here is sort of like an integrated hinge, nice, no gap. Probably a little bit easier to clean, but probably not as easy to clean as this one, I expect. The hole is a little bit bigger, just very slightly bigger in the length, which I think is nice. They also advertise the non-slip bumpers, so these sit on the toilet with more friction and supposedly don't move as much. So that's a good thing. Although there's a lot of crevices here that I think might be a little bit harder to clean on this side. That might be a downside. Okay. Yeah, I think we're gonna go with the Delta just for the color. The color is gonna match with the toilet better, more white. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking off the old one.
do need. Yeah, that and the screwdriver. Okay, go back. Okay, the screwdriver. Let's see. All right. Okay, that up.
I will use this chance to wipe the hinge area, and I always use baby wipes. Baby wipes is the best, and we especially like these. We buy them in bulk, and you can clean pretty much anything with this. Okay, nice and clean. Pretty good. This is the power packet that comes with the toilet seat. Very simple. Screw, nut, gasket. So let's see how this goes. Should be very simple. And then there's gasket, so let's see. To open this lid. And I think, yeah, the gasket goes on the back like this. Gasket goes in like this. Okay. Put it on. Goes through the hole. Goes through the hole.
I see. Should be more forward. This is what do. Forward, back, forward, now. Over here.
So that's good. It's aligned. Let's check out the soft close. Yep, it's very soft close, very slow. No slam. Very slow. Very nice. No slam. So close this lid. And there we have it. New toilet seat. Very nice. Very white. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give us a like. Subscribe to our channel, czbo channel. And we'll see you in the next one.